In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email marketing in Odoo 17. We'll begin from the Odoo home screen. Once you're there, open the email marketing app. This is where you can create, design, test, and send your campaigns all in one place, so it's the main area you'll use for email outreach inside Odoo. After opening email marketing, click New to start creating a fresh campaign. Odoo will open a new email record where you can begin filling in the important details. First, type in your subject name. This is the line your recipients will see in their inbox, so make it clear and relevant to the message you're sending. Next, choose your recipients. This step is important because it determines who will receive the email. Make sure you select the correct audience for your campaign so your message reaches the right people. Once that's done, click into the mail body section. This is where you'll build the content of your email. To design it, open the Blocks tab. Here you can drag and drop different content blocks directly into your email layout. This makes it easy to add sections like text, images, buttons, and other elements without needing advanced design skills. After placing your blocks, move to the Style tab. To use this properly, click on a specific area of your email first, then adjust its appearance using the Style options. This helps you control how individual sections look and keeps your email polished and visually consistent. Then, click on Design. This area allows you to edit the overall design of your email, helping you shape the layout and visual presentation so it matches your branding or campaign goal. If you want to experiment with different versions, click on A/B tests. This gives you the option to compare variations of your email and can be useful when you want to improve performance. After that, click on Settings to review additional campaign options and make any final adjustments before sending. When you're ready, you can schedule the email instead of sending it immediately. Choose the date you want, then click Apply to confirm it. After that, click Schedule so Odoo knows exactly when the campaign should go out. Before sending, you can also use Preview and Test first. This is a smart step because it lets you check how the email looks and catch any mistakes before it reaches your audience. Finally, when everything looks good, click Send. And that's how you set up email marketing in Odoo 17, from creating the campaign and designing the message to testing, scheduling, and sending it successfully.